In this video, I will show you how to change your apps icon and how to customize your home screen like this. Yeah, isn't cool? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Farzad and today I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen and how to change your apps icon without jailbreak and anything. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, okay? Let's go. This page is for intro of video. If I click on apps, for example Instagram, it will go to the Instagram, or WhatsApp, Gmail and Telegram, or phone, Safari, message and music. For this tutorial we need two apps, shortcuts app and color widget, and apps like icon maker or photo album to make your widget or change your apps icon. But I will use website or Google image. Before everything we should get icon. Go to the Safari and go to the flat icon website. In search you can find your icon. For example, I want App Store icon. So App Store, for example, this icon, tap on that, tap on download, free download, wait for downloading, click on download again, go to the downloads, tap on icon, tap on share and save image. Then we should head to the shortcuts, tap on plus, add action, tap on scripting, open app, choose and choose your application, App Store for example. Then tap on three dots, choose name for your app, for example App Store. Then tap on icon, choose the color, for example blue, and tap on add to home screen. Rename your app, App Store. Tap on icon, choose photo, and we choose icon. Then tap on add and done. It's done. And now you can see the application on home screen with different icon. I tap on that, then it will go to the App Store. And now I want to hide my App Store. Hold the application, tap on remove from home screen, and if you want to back, you can go here and get back the App Store. The hard work is you should choose one by one to change apps icon, and you should spend your time, but it will be great. Second is widget I have here. For this widget you should download color widget. Tap on that. So in here I choose widget and I tap on plus. So we tap on it. Now you can choose what color and font you like for your widget. For example, I love blue and that font. And I can change the color. For example, dark blue, and I can control the dark color. Now I tap on set widget and tap on last widget. I go to the home screen and hold my finger to one of apps. Then I tap on plus. I go down to find color widget. So I tap on widget. It was very easy. This application has a lot of options and a lot of widgets, and you can customize for your own. And it has a calendar widget too. For example, I add it, set widget, and I choose it instead of this. I hold my finger to the widget, edit widget, choose. I choose second option. Now it's working and you can see the new calendar, and you can customize for your own with different things. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.